Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, USD, and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, US dollar falls on dovish remarks by Fed's Powell. Dollar fell on Friday after 2 days gains as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell struck a cautious tone on further interest rate moves, saying that the risk of under or over tightening is now more balanced. So the impact was seen on the chart of DXY. We know it very well. We have already discussed also in the previous videos that for last couple of days and weeks there was intense pressure on the chart of DXY. DXY or US dollar index is bearish. The market structure is bearish, both fundamentally and technically selling pressure is there. But still, after making a low of 102.50, DXY was trying to recover. It was struggling around FIBO 23.6% retracement level. But after the speech, we can see the selling pressure came again, and maybe we will get to see further downside on the chart of DXY. For a trend reversal on the US dollar, we don't have any event that will bring a change here. As we all know, for a trend reversal or a directional change, we need the backing of a fundamental factor. And the next fundamental factor, which is important for Forex market, is the NFP. But still, we have got not 4 to 5 days. Okay, NFP is on Friday. So till NFP, we can expect that selling pressure will remain on DXY. So DXY closed at 103.19. If market goes down right after the market opening, if the volume is low, okay, we can expect that 102.50 will be acting as the support. Otherwise, in this type of market structure, supports do not work. But yes, for breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important here. So if volume is less, then we can expect that market will linger around here, but ultimately we can expect that DXY will break 102.50 and move down. On the other hand, if DXY surprises us with an up move, then 104.20 to 104.50 will be the next resistance, and I don't think so right after the market opening, DXY will have the strength and potential to break 104.20 and 104.50. DXY is bearish, so plan your trades accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. Usually we get to see an inverse correlation, but here, right after the inflation report of the eurozone, okay, things are not very positive. Okay, there is intense pressure on all the euro pairs, and we can see the same on euro USD. But euro USD has closed at a very critical level. You can see euro USD closed at FIBO 23.6% retracement level, as well as the 100 moving average. So the market opening will be very important for euro USD lovers. If you already have taken a buy position, if you're a swing trader, then continue with the buy position, because we can expect that right after the market opening, we will get to see upside on the chart of euro USD. Euro USD respected our previous level very well, so we can expect the same again. On Monday, usually we don't get to see much volatility or volume. So if market acts like a typical Monday market, then we can expect that around 1.0800 market will get some support. Or day traders, you can look for a quick bounce of 25 to 30 pips around 1.0800, 1.0795 level, because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. And in case market shows good amount of selling pressure, then the next support on the chart of euro USD will be 1.0750 to 1.0730. This is the strongest support on the chart of euro USD in front of us. Okay, and 1.0750, 1.0730 is strong support because of FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, previous resistance will also be acting as support. So in case market shows big big retracement, deeper retracement, heavy selling pressure, this is the level where you can expect a bounce. Otherwise, if market goes down with low volatility, small red candles, 1.0800 is the support. So on the chart of Euro USD, we have two support where we can look for a bounce. Clear. On the other hand, if you already have taken a buy, be on the trade because further upside is possible because market close at a very critical level. Market opening will be very important for Euro USD, and there is no point of talking about resistance right now. Let's wait and watch how the market opens. Obviously, I'll be coming on Monday. I'll update you. And my friends, after 3 months, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. The next workshop will be on March or April. Okay, so if you're interested, you can participate. My dear friends, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market and unable to make money. So my dear friends, if you like my work, if you really want to take training to your next level, then you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. The topics are mentioned here. The link is in the description. You can see these are the topics that we will be dealing. And after the 3 days workshop, 1 month support. And in 1 month support, we will also have weekly classes. These are the topics that we will be dealing during our weekly lessons. These are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the workshop. Only 4 days left. Okay, the workshop is starting from 6th. And I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15 for the workshop, is what 1,000 for Indians. 3 days workshop, 1 month support. And trading takes time. If you're looking for guidance, personal sessions, to ask questions, to clear doubts, you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support. These are also very much affordable. Everything is mentioned here. Right after the payment, you just need to share a screenshot with this WhatsApp number, or you can also email. I will add you to the group immediately. And the dates are 6, 7, 8 for Hindi lessons. Hindi के लिए 6, 7, 8 शाम को 6:30 बजे. And for English, 11, 12 and 13th. Okay, classes will be conducted over Google Meet. Everything will be recorded so that even if you miss, okay, you can watch again and again. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care. Happy weekend. Enjoy with your friends and family. Have fun after the market opening. Okay, now let's look at the chart of GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, yes, it is following DXY. Okay, so if you have a buy, enjoy the ride, because for the last few days GBPUSD is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. If you already have taken a buy, enjoy the ride because further upside is possible. Because if we try to understand the market sentiment, we can expect that the selling pressure on US dollar or DXY will remain for at least 3 to 4 days. If that happens, we will get to see further upside on the chart of GBPUSD. So as a result, continue with the buy. If you're looking for fresh position, then sadly on the chart of GBPUSD, the best retracement level to take a buy is far away, 1.2530 to 1.2500. So in case market surprises us with selling pressure, 1.2500, 1.2530 is the level where you can look for a buy position. But usually before a major event like NFP CPI, market usually prefers to stay silent. Market doesn't show much volatility. If that happens, then we can expect a sideways market on Monday and Tuesday. So if you see a low volatile market, then 1.2600 will also act as a support for the market if the market is low volatile. So volatility of the market will obviously play a major role here. So let's wait and watch. And in case market breaks 1.2750, then obviously we can look for a buy at breakout as well. But obviously in this type of market situation, buy at retracement is always a better and safer thing to do. But if market doesn't come for retracement, what can we do, isn't it? So in that case, we can look for a buy above 1.2750 as well. So let's wait and watch how the market opens. And GBPUSD is not the perfect chart for day traders and scalpers. This is the chart where you need to take a buy at retracement and just sit and enjoy the ride. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.